Home is where we should feel the most at ease, a place to unwind after a long day or enjoy quality moments with loved ones. A big part of that comfort comes from keeping it clean, yet, we all know the struggle of finding the energy to tidy up, especially when chores pile up over time. To help you tackle cleaning more efficiently, we've gathered expert-recommended tips and tricks to make your home shine in no time. Cleaning hacks to transform your home. 1. Dust from top to bottom. Professional cleaners advise starting high and working your way down. If you clean the lower surfaces first, dust from above will undo your efforts. 2. Clean ceiling fans with a pillowcase. Avoid scattering dust everywhere by slipping an old pillowcase over each blade. Slide it off, trapping the dust inside. 3. Use a lint roller on lampshades. Lampshades can be tricky to clean, but a lint roller works wonders to remove dust effortlessly. 4. Vacuum curtains and upholstery. Dust settles on fabrics like curtains and furniture. Use a vacuum with a proper attachment or invest in a steam cleaner for deeper cleaning. 5. Don't neglect under furniture. Large furniture collects dust underneath, which often goes unnoticed. Move pieces like sofas and tables to clean these hidden spots. 6. Fix scratches on wooden furniture. Rub a walnut over scratches on wooden furniture to restore its natural look. 7. Deodorize pet areas with baking soda. Sprinkle baking soda on your pet's bed to neutralize odors. Let it sit for 15 minutes, then vacuum it up. 8. Wash windows with vinegar. Combine 2 tablespoons of vinegar with a gallon of water in a spray bottle. Clean windows with this solution and a microfiber cloth for a streak-free finish. 9. Deep clean bathrooms with bleach. Mix 3/4 cup of bleach with a gallon of water. Work in sections, allowing the solution to sit for 4 to 5 minutes before scrubbing and rinsing. 10. Shine bathroom fixtures with glass cleaner. Moisture can lead to scale buildup on fixtures. Regularly wipe them down with a window cleaner for a polished look. 11. Polish chrome faucets with toothpaste. Apply toothpaste to chrome fixtures, then wipe with a damp sponge to remove stains and restore shine. 12. Use coffee filters for streak-free mirrors. Coffee filters are lint-free, making them perfect for achieving spotless mirrors. 13. Unclog drains with baking soda and vinegar. Pour half a cup of baking soda, 1 cup of vinegar and hot water down the drain. Cover and let sit for 5 minutes, then rinse with boiling water. 14. Freshen garbage disposals with lemon. Run lemon rinds through the garbage disposal with hot water to eliminate unpleasant smells. 15. Refresh your dishwasher with baking soda. Sprinkle baking soda on a damp sponge to scrub reachable surfaces, keeping your dishwasher fresh. 16. Save the stove and oven for last. Since stoves are often the dirtiest, clean them last to prevent spreading grease and germs around the kitchen. 17. Scrub baking dishes with tin foil. Crumple tin foil into a ball, add dish soap, and scrub away stubborn baked-on food. 18. Clean outdoor furniture with hot soapy water. Mix dish soap with hot water to wash outdoor furniture. Rinse with a hose for a clean and inviting patio. 19. Dust your plants. Keep plants healthy by wiping their leaves with a soft cloth or gently washing them under a shower to remove grime. By incorporating these tips into your routine, you can keep your home tidy with minimal effort. Remember, it's okay to ask for help or skip a day when needed, just don't let things pile up for too long.